Hello everyone, welcome to Lecker Treats and thank you so much for being here. My name is Benedicta and in today's video we are making this fried calamari with shrimps. For our ingredients, we need 350 grams of shrimps, we need 300 grams of squid rings, we also need some salt, black pepper powder, cayenne pepper, oil for frying, some flour and cornstarch. As usual, all ingredients for this recipe are listed in the description box below. So we'll begin by marinating our shrimps with some black pepper powder and salt. We'll rub our shrimps very well with the seasoning and set aside to fry later. Next, in another bowl, we'll pour our plain flour, and to this we'll be adding our cayenne pepper, our black pepper powder, salt, and some corn flour. We'll then mix everything well together. To get rid of lumps, we'll be whisking this very well. And then we'll be pouring our squid rings into it and ensure the rings are well coated with the flour mixture. Next, in a pan, we'll be pouring in some oil, and once it's hot enough, we'll be frying our squid rings. Please dust off excess flour from the rings before frying. After about a couple of minutes, we'll be flipping it over and allow it to fry for about a couple of minutes more. However, if you want to have really crisp calamari, it's best to have a golden brown result before taking it out. Next, we'll be draining our oil and pour it back into the pan to fry our shrimps. Once the oil is hot enough, we'll pour our shrimps into it, spread it out evenly, and allow it to fry for just a couple of minutes, as shrimps do not take long in cooking. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not done yet, and please turn on your notification to be notified whenever new videos are uploaded every week. So as our shrimps were frying, we made some potatoes to have this with. And there we have it, another simple, easy, and lekker recipe you can make at home for lunch or just as a starter. Your friends and family will love this. Thanks a lot for watching. Until I come your way again, it's bye!